Hey guys, my name is John Davies, and in the short lesson we're going to take a look at the 15 stroke roll. So the 15 stroke roll is part of the stroke roll family, and it is made up of 7 doubles followed by an accented single. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, accent. So we're going to jump straight into exercise number 1, where we're playing this in 16th notes, and we're going to start at 60 beats per minute. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and. And of course, don't forget to lead with the opposite hand. And guys, if you want a PDF of the lesson, there should be a link in the description below. So exercise number 2, we're just going to take exercise number 1, flip it round so that we are starting with the accent. We're going to start this at 60 beats per minute. 1 and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. And of course, don't forget to lead with the opposite hand. Guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. If you are, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And obviously, if you have any comments or questions, just chuck them in the comment section down below. Hey guys, I'm just interrupting your lesson very quickly just to let you know that I've released my first online course. The course is an introduction to hand technique, primarily dealing with the rebound stroke. In the course, we learn about grips, we learn about fulcrums, we learn about positions, we learn about essentially how to make the stick work for us. So I've been teaching for well over 20 years now, and when it comes to hand technique, this is the first thing that I teach all of my students. So the course I put together goes over the fundamentals, but primarily there's a lot of practicing videos where you can practice along with me. So if this is something of interest to you, then please just check out the link in the description below. Back to the lesson. Okay, exercise number 3, we are dealing with 30-second notes. The first half of the bar, we're going to be playing our single stroke roll in 16th notes with our accent on beat number 1. And in the second bar, we're going to play our 15 stroke roll in 30-second notes with our accent on beat number 3. We're going to start this at 60 beats per minute. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. And of course, don't forget to lead with the opposite hand. And that's it guys, that's the 15 stroke roll. I really hope you've enjoyed the lesson. If you have, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And obviously if you've got any comments or questions, just chuck them in the comment section down below. And I will see you on the next lesson. Cheers.